Hi, my name is William Beaman, and today I'll be speaking to you about e-commerce search tool innovation. More and more people are shopping online every year, and website usability and performance is becoming extremely important. Costco is an American department store and e-commerce business that sells everything from electronics to furniture to home goods. Recently, Costco's CFO expressed concerns about their online website usability. Today I will go through 5 different sections regarding this topic: context, technology, the competitive environment, the economics, and the organizational implementation. First, I'll take you through the context. E-commerce is an ever-growing market, and more people are shopping online every year. As a matter of fact, 51% of shoppers' purchases are now made online. This is a huge reason why Costco needs to improve their online website usability. Costco is currently ranked 41st of 50 in search engine usability according to Beaman Institute's research. So to mitigate this issue, I propose that Costco implement NEMU's Search Suite software. The Search Suite works similarly to Google Suggest, using algorithms to provide customers product suggestions, as you see in the image below. Say you were to type in food into Google. A drop-down would come up showing suggestions such as food near me, food in Deerfield, or maybe food delivery. NEMU's Search Suite differentiates itself by providing an extremely low response rate for searching millions of products. The suite was constructed in C++, and the APIs were developed in PHP and Python. The technology also uses faceted search. Facets are clearly defined characteristics that can be later used to filter data you've searched. These can be product type, color, things like this. The search software contains 4 main modules: the behavior crawling and cataloging system, the indexer, the query processor, and the dashboard. Here I'll give you a little bit more detail about each of these. The behavior crawling and cataloging system collects data to rank results. This data can be user behavior, products purchased, navigation history, any of these things. The indexer then takes the information gathered and puts it into an index, so when another user goes to search, the query processor goes to the index to find the best auto-completion result possible. The dashboard is used to monitor the system. It basically provides the business administrator with an analysis of the user data collected. The business administrator can then take this user data, go to NEMU's development team, and come up with a better way to make the system improve for the future. Here I have provided a diagram showing the cyclical processes described, starting with the behavior crawling and cataloging system, going into the indexer, then to the query processor, and to the dashboard system, where the administrator can review the results and go over them with NEMU's development team to develop an improved system for the future. Now we can get to the competitive environment. We can look at it from 2 different ways: the e-commerce business and the search tool vendors. Costco's competitors are Amazon, eBay, the big e-commerce players, Walmart, Target. NEMU's Search Suite has a few competitors as well. Some are free. These are a little less secure and not as reliable or comprehensive. So we want to look more at the search insights and InstaSearch, which are paid solutions. They're faster and more secure. They're more like NEMU, where you pay a monthly fee based on the amount of queries processed. Here I've provided a few statistics regarding the competitive environment. 72% of search tools were not able to connect misspelled words to products. This is a big deal. Imagine someone searching on Costco's website for a notebook but misspells it. The NEMU administrator can review these results from the dashboard, the business administrator can review these results from the dashboard, go to NEMU's developers and say, look, these were a bunch of misspelled words that didn't bring up any results. We want these added into the system, so next time a customer searches for the product, no matter how they spell it, they get what they need. Now, 88% of users are also not likely to return to a website that has poor performance. It's a big deal. This is why Costco is looking to improve their online usability. Nemu helps these issues by accounting for many attributes when a search is conducted. They take into account user history, navigation patterns, product images, sales, product types, color, all these different attributes to provide the most comprehensive search possible for the user. The suite also implements machine learning, which is huge because it makes it more efficient and automated so that it's not always the business administrator having to improve the system with Nemu's development team. The economics. Organizing an in-house development team can be extremely costly. In the US, a developer can range anywhere between $60,000 and $100,000. The median pay is about $93,000. This is an incredible amount of money. Nemu's state-of-the-art development team is comprised of over 200 employees. Imagine if Costco tried to hire this many employees for an in-house development team. It's just not economically feasible. Nemu's team eliminates the need to do any of this in-house work. On Black Friday, one of the most hectic days for e-commerce businesses, Nemu processed more than 360 million queries, producing $130 million in sales. This is really impressive. This is proof that the suite has room for extreme capacity and can produce sales. Now, 73% of smartphone users and tablet users said they would abandon retailers' websites that were too slow or prone to issues. This is another reason why Costco needs to make sure that they improve their website usability so that customers keep coming back to their website and keep using their company. Clients who have adopted this system have experienced an average of 20% increase in sales and selling over $7 billion in products annually. This is proof right here that the Nemu suite works and helps companies improve sales and improve website usability. Organizational implementation. Costco is huge on offering their customers and employees the best experience possible when shopping at their stores. Their CFO has already said that they think they should and could do more online. So to maintain the company values, Costco must upgrade that system. They must implement something new to attract and maintain those customers that they value so heavily. So integration into Costco's system, integrating the search suite is not too difficult. It only requires a few things. One, submitting a base of products in XML format to Nemu's team so that they have a list of your products and can add them into their database. Then they're going to collect customer behavior through a JavaScript tag, which is added into the system and just collects data and sends back to Nemu's development team. Then the development team just oversees maintenance and innovation, and Costco's hands are clean of that, which is great. Really, really great. Nemu Suite is also a software as a service, meaning it's a cloud-based software that is delivered over the internet. This is great because they're a Brazilian-based company. If you're an American-based company, this enables global delivery. This is perfect for someone like Costco or a company like Costco who's trying to improve website usability. Now, of course, there's always risks when you're implementing a new product or a new software into a company. Some of these risks can be employees feeling threatened, maybe feel like they could lose their jobs or they're not as important or valued. That is a big issue, and it arises in any company when you try to implement new software or processes. Another big issue is Nemu is a Brazilian-based company, as already stated. There's cultural differences in the way they work, and there's also language barriers. So a few things we can do to prevent or mitigate these issues is communicate and plan. Communicate and plan. Planning is a big thing. If you plan to do this, make sure that you send somebody, a representative from your company, over to Nemu so you can see how they work and see if they can do the same for you. Send somebody from Nemu over to Costco, see how we work, so that we have a full understanding on how this plan can be executed. We also need to make sure that we communicate with our employees and explain to them that this is to better Costco's online website usability. This isn't to cost cuts or to cut costs or to eliminate employees. There are some critical success factors that are really important for making this work with Costco. Search speed is a big issue. Their website right now lacks search speed, lacks search performance in all areas. Nemu prides themselves on search speed, so if the search speed's not there, the success is not there. Training and implementation, as we've already stated, is a really big part of making this happen. You need to make sure that we send a representative from each company, Nemu's company and Costco, to the other to fully understand how they work. Lastly, end user support. We need to make sure that the customer, if they have any issues, is getting the necessary support needed, whether it be from Costco, but mostly from the Nemu development team who is maintaining our software. So the worst case scenario that could possibly happen here is that Nemu software doesn't perform as expected and the support and development team is not helpful and we have to cancel services. Worst case scenario right there. Best case scenario is the website search performance is enhanced, that we see an increase in sales, maybe not 20, or we see an increase in sales of 20%, and we lead customers to unexpected purchases that they may not, have been looking for because we have such a comprehensive search. The most likely case scenario is that we do experience improved website search performance, and we do see some sales increase. Maybe not that 20% that their clients have experienced, but we will see a sales increase and lead customers to unexpected purchases and give them a great environment to search for products. Nemu Search Suite is a state-of-the-art product that can help Costco with their website search usability issues. It is a comprehensive search, and in their goal to maintain a great customer experience, I think implementing the Nemu Search Suite is right in their wheelhouse. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.